I'm starting on dirty hair. I had a little bit of buildup toward the edges of my scalp, and I'm trying this new shampoo. It has exfoliating factors in it. It smells minty. It has tea tree, charcoal. It is a detoxing micro exfoliating shampoo. You see that lather. It smells amazing. My scalp was tingling. When I do shampoo my hair, I always make sure to use my fingers, not my nails. You want to always scrub your scalp with the tip of your fingertips, okay? And take your time and go in a circular motion and get each and every part of your scalp, because to grow your hair is to start with a healthy scalp. They also sent me a scalp massager from Briogeo. This is a great tool to make sure that you are releasing particles that are just stuck in your hair, and you use it in a circular motion. This one is not battery operated. Up next is the Scalp Revival treatment. It's a scalp treatment. Now we're trying the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I like to do my hair first. I don't put a lot of oil on my scalp because it gets built up really fast. So I'm just gonna take this dropper. I'm not gonna touch my scalp, and I'm going to just, oops. Ooh, it's dripping. Put it in my scalp. I'm gonna put it all in my scalp. It is a tingly feeling. It feels great. Love the way it feels. It feels just like the shampoo. Well, it says that it should be used before styling your hair. I was gonna use it before I started styling my hair, but I kind of don't like to put oil in my scalp or my hair until after my hair dries just a little bit. It's still a little wet, so it still should do what it has to do, but it does say to try to use it prior to styling your hair, just so you guys know. But I like the way it feels. I love it's even tingling in my hands. I love tea tree oil. I use it on my face and I use it on my body because I have acne prone skin. So tea tree oil is a great anti-inflammatory. So if you have any scalp issues, any inflammation, any redness, any itching, this will help you. This is a non-sponsored post. I was gifted these products and I love a lot of Briogeo products. So this, I'm not surprised that I love it as well. I'm going to use it for a while, and from what I feel, I didn't have no allergic reaction, no adverse reaction, so I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, okay? So, and y'all would know if I'm not feeling it. So it's great for scalp. It's not really a thick oil for sealing your hair. I put it in my hair, but I don't feel like, it does feel softer, but I don't think it's a really good sealant. This is definitely just a scalp treatment like it says. Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment to focus on your scalp. So I would definitely focus this on your scalp if you have any scalp issues.